Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest tech products. In today's episode, we have an exciting accessory for all you gamers out there, the wireless adapter. With original IC chip, designed for Xbox One controllers and compatible with PC Windows 10 and 11. Let's explore this product's features and functionality to see if it's a must-have for your gaming setup. The wireless adapter with original IC chip is designed to allow you to use your Xbox One controller on Windows PCs, laptops, and tablets. This product is brought to us by Rzkipdy and comes with a 66% smaller design compared to its predecessor. It boasts wireless stereo sound support and the ability to connect up to 8 controllers at once, making it perfect for multiplayer gaming. One of the most crucial aspects of any gaming accessory is compatibility. This adapter is specifically designed for Xbox One controllers, ensuring a seamless gaming experience. However, please note that it's not compatible with controllers designed for Xbox 360. Also, be aware that an Xbox software update may affect its compatibility with Xbox One, Xbox Series 10, and Xbox Series S consoles. Setting up the wireless adapter is a breeze. Simply bind it to your Xbox wireless controller, and you're ready to go. You can use it with PC games, as well as Xbox One games streamed to Windows 10, bringing your gaming experience to a whole new level. It even supports in-game chat and high-quality stereo audio, so you won't miss out on any gaming action or communication with your friends. Checking out what other gamers are saying about this product, we found some mixed opinions. Many users report that it works perfectly with their Xbox controllers and headsets, providing a reliable and enjoyable gaming experience. However, there have been some complaints about connectivity issues, particularly with Windows 11. Some users have mentioned that Windows 11 doesn't recognize the device, and there are occasional dropouts in connection. In conclusion, the wireless adapter with original IC chip for Xbox One controller offers the potential for a fantastic gaming experience on your PC or tablet. While it's received praise for its compatibility with Xbox controllers, there have been some concerns regarding Windows 11 compatibility and occasional connectivity issues. If you're a Windows 10 user looking to enhance your gaming setup with your Xbox One controller, this adapter might be a great addition. However, if you're using Windows 11 or have an Xbox Series 10s, you may want to consider other options. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. And as always, feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'll see you in the next episode.